coming home in the evening. Ella opens the door. She enters her home.
She removes her shoes. She feels tired. She puts her keys here. She puts her bag down. Ella walks into the living room. Her home is quiet. This is her baby. The baby is sleeping.
Ella washes her hands. Clean hands are important.
Ella writes a small list. She likes simple plans.
She prepares milk for the baby. She checks the temperature.
Ella feeds her baby. The baby is calm. She puts the baby in the crib. The baby sleeps again. She turns on a nightlight. The room is soft and warm. Ella washes her face. She feels fresh now. She cooks simple food. She cooks at home.
Ella eats her dinner. She eats slowly.
About you.
Ella prepares clothes for tomorrow. She likes to be ready.
She checks her list. All tasks are done. Ella goes to bed. Good night.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.